Hi there. Do you think you know the difference between dividends, annuities, and life insurance? Well, by the end of this video, I'll make sure you know all the facts on each of those before you go signing on any dotted lines. My name is Michael Malone, and for the best annuity advice and information, do be sure to subscribe to my channel here, and then also click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload other new videos. Now first, let's chat about dividends. Dividends are offered to you through stock that you own, issued, I guess I should say, from different corporations. So dividends, again, I'll just say that again, dividends are offered to you when you go out and you purchase shares of stocks in different corporations that may be offering dividends through those stocks. What you'll find in regards to dividends, as I said, it's the corporation paying that dividend out to you. The taxes on dividends are different than other income. So you're going to find that when you look at the taxes that are paid as the income comes to you from those dividends are going to be different than other types of income you may be receiving. And I guess the one last thing I would share with you as well in regards to stock dividends, those dividends, the income amount that comes from those dividends does have the ability to kind of go up and down over time, depending upon different decisions that may be being made by the board of directors of those corporations. So the folks sitting on those board of directors, depending on what's going on within that company, may decide to increase a dividend payment coming out to you, or they may also decide, for reasons going on within the business as well, that they need to decrease that dividend maybe at a certain given time. Now second, let's talk about annuities when we're really kind of going through the differences between dividends, annuities, and life insurance. Annuities, what you want to know about annuities, annuities are an actual contract that is offered to you from an insurance company that really ties them in contractually to some of the benefits of that annuity. Now, typically, when you look at these contracts that are offered by these insurance companies, I guess a great example of a benefit that may be available to you in the annuities for, say, retirement planning is something called guaranteed retirement income. So that guaranteed retirement income is something that you could use as a tool in retirement to know that you're literally going to have income guaranteed to you from the insurance company contractually for the rest of your life. So that's the uniqueness when we look at dividends, annuities, and life insurance. Annuities are a tool offered by an insurance company that is a contract that says that insurance company is going to, as an example, offer you guaranteed retirement income throughout all of your retirement. And that, you want to know, would be based upon that insurance company's ability to make those payments to you throughout your life. And by the way, if an annuity really seems to make the best sense for you in the overall retirement planning that you're doing, and you'd like to have an annuity maybe uniquely designed for you around, say, as an example, that guaranteed retirement income, do feel free to click on the link down below to apply to become my client. And after this video, I'd recommend checking out the other video I created called Types of Good Annuities. In that video, the reason why I would recommend watching it is you'll learn more about the types of annuities that are good specifically for the retirement planning that you may be working on. And I'll go ahead and I'll include the link to that video to make it easy for you in the description down below. Now, in regards to life insurance, we're comparing dividends and annuities and also life insurance. Life insurance is also a contract offered to you by an insurance company, similar to a contract offered to you by an insurance company for an annuity. However, a life insurance policy, although a contract, the main focus of a life insurance policy is what's called a death benefit. And that death benefit is typically going to be, say, a lump sum amount of money that is left to your beneficiaries when you pass away. So that's the uniqueness of a life insurance policy, is that life insurance policy is for paying out a lump sum death benefit to those that you care about once you're no longer here. And by the way, this really is a common misunderstanding when it comes to looking at specifically, say, annuities and life insurance. When you look at an annuity and you look at some of the benefits offered inside of an annuity, say maybe like the guaranteed retirement income that I mentioned, that is called what is called a living benefit. It's kind of obvious when you stop and think about it, because that guaranteed retirement income in an annuity is for you while you are alive. So it's called a living benefit. Whereas a life insurance policy really has what is called a death benefit, meaning that that benefit is going to be paid out to others when you die. So when you're looking at, specifically here, annuities and life insurance, annuities are typically more focused on for tools when you are living, say when you are in your retirement, and a life insurance policy is more for when you pass, when you die, if you have others that you really care about that you want to leave some funds to take care of them. So in conclusion, when you're looking at the overall retirement planning that you're doing, a dividend can be a really good tool for generating additional income for you from different corporations that you feel good about. And you're going to have typically some beneficial tax consequences to the dividend income coming in. So that can play that role in the retirement planning that you're doing. When you look at life insurance, as we were just talking about, life insurance, as you're putting together your overall retirement plan, can really play a great role as a tool in leaving a lump sum of money to those that you care about once you pass away. So as you're putting together, again, that overall retirement plan, if the end of that plan you have something where you want to leave something to those that you care about, a life insurance policy can really play a nice role there. In regards to an annuity can really be a good tool for, as I shared as an example, that guaranteed retirement income that you may want to have in place as you go through your retirement. So dividends and annuities, guaranteed retirement income in annuities, can be great tools for looking at the income holes, the income that you're trying to address in your overall retirement plan. And life insurance policies can be there to leave funds to your loved ones after you pass. And once again, as I mentioned before, if your primary purpose in watching this video is the overall retirement planning that you're doing, and you would like to look into having an annuity designed uniquely for you around, say, as an example, that guaranteed retirement income and the role that it can play in your overall plan, do feel free to click on the link down below to apply to become my client. And if you've liked this video today, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel here, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and I hope something good happens to you out there today.